What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be showing a video that me and my coworker made that outlines a project I've been working on for the past couple months. Basically, I'm on co-op right now at the UBC Cloud Innovation Center, which is a collaboration with Amazon Web Services on the UBC Vancouver campus, where we make applications using cloud technologies for various sponsors. Now, I don't want to get too into detail about my job because I'm saving that for an entire another video that will be coming out soon. I also plan on making a separate video on just co-op specifically, the process to get in, tips on landing internships, and all of that good stuff. But for now, I just wanted to give you guys a quick glance of the type of work you're able to do as just a third year computer engineering student. Now, I just want you guys to also know that before this internship, I had zero AWS experience, very little backend experience, and only a few basic projects that I did on my own or at UBC Launchpad, which is a design team at UBC. But my point is that projects like the one I'm about to show you are very doable as a student with little to no experience. You just have to be willing to learn and go through that initial discomfort of learning something new. Now, here's the project.
Creating a curriculum vitae is a critical task for all faculty members. However, the process of manually gathering, formatting, and submitting the data can be frustrating and time-consuming. Faculty members spend hours, if not days, making sure that the CV meets the standards required by the university and other professionals. With multiple schools and departments, this can lead to inconsistencies and delays.
In collaboration with UBC's Cloud Innovation Center, we have developed a cloud-based prototype designed to automate and standardize the CV creation process for UBC's Faculty of Medicine using AWS technologies. With an intuitive user interface, faculty members can choose their CV format, generate reports, and even update their CV based on new accomplishments with just a few clicks. The platform supports multiple user roles, including faculty members, assistants, admins, and department admins, allowing for collaborative updates and management. Logging into the application as a faculty member, you'll be taken to your profile page where you're able to select the institution, campus, faculties, departments, and other affiliations you belong to. You're also able to link multiple Scopus IDs and an ORCID ID through a search that is done on the backend using your first and last name. These IDs need to be linked to your profile in order to fetch publication data. In the academics work page, you're able to see all the sections that may be included on your CV and enter data for them. This data can be entered manually for most sections, but some sections such as publications and secured funding have a retrieve data button which will fetch data for your profile from external sources, so you do not have to go through the manual labor of making hundreds or even thousands of entries. You're also able to archive any entries that you don't want to appear on your CV. These entries will show up in the archive page and are automatically deleted after 1 month. Our platform automates data curation from critical sources like teaching records, publications, and funding information, which is then used to generate UBC standardized CVs. By centralizing this process, we remove the need for faculty to manually gather this information. The application uses AWS AppSync as our API, which triggers different Lambda resolvers based on the user's query and passes the appropriate variables needed to add, update, or get the required data from the PostgreSQL database hosted on RDS. AWS AppSync also triggers certain Lambda resolvers which fetch profiles and publications from external sources. These profiles are used to link the user's Scopus and ORCID IDs, and the user chooses which ones to add from a list of results. These IDs are then used to fetch the publications associated with the user. Once you have entered your data on the academic work page, you can navigate to the reports page to choose a template in order to generate your CV. These templates are made by admins and consist of which data sections to include on the CV, in which order, and the year range from which they want this data. Once the CV is generated, you are able to download it as a PDF, and it will only be regenerated if you make a new change to the academic work page or if an admin makes a change to the template.
One of the platform's key features is the ability to delegate tasks. Faculty members can connect with their assistants through the platform, giving them access to manage their profiles and input data required for their CV. As an assistant, when you log into their profile, you are able to send invitations to connect to a faculty member using their email. Once that invitation has been accepted on the faculty member's end, assistants can manage their user's profile. This allows assistants to add, update, or archive any information as well as generate CVs, freeing up valuable time for faculty members to focus on their research and clinical duties. Now, logging into the application as an admin instead, you will be taken to a page where you are able to view all the users of the app, including faculty, assistants, and other admins. As an admin, you can view all users, form connections between faculty members and assistants, as well as change the role of any user. You are also able to manage data sections by adding attributes to existing sections or creating new sections with any attributes of your choice. Archiving an existing data section will bring it to the archive page, where it will remain until you decide to unarchive it. In addition to this, admins are able to create CV templates. As mentioned before, these templates contain which data sections to include on the CV, in which order, and the year range from which you want the data. Existing templates can also be modified. The platform also provides admins analytics, giving you insight into how the system is being used, including the number of users joined, the grant money information, and the number of CVs generated. Department admins also have a similar view of the application, except they are limited to managing the users within their department, and they do not have the ability to modify or create data sections.
While we've accomplished our key goals, we're still planning for the future. Our platform is scalable with plans to support more CV formats, integrate external databases, and provide even more analytics for admins. These future updates will streamline the CV process, making it adaptable for more departments and institutions across the world.
In summary, this platform transforms the CV creation process for the UBC Faculty of Medicine by automating the collection of data and standardizing CV formats. This project doesn't just save faculty members time, it enhances their productivity and efficiency. Discover more about how this solution can revolutionize CV creation and administrative workflows. Visit our open source project on GitHub. So there you have it. Please subscribe to the channel and like this video. I hope the project seemed interesting even if you don't fully understand how it works. And stay tuned for the next video, which will be coming out very soon.